So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you a magic first. So let's say when I'm going to enter the platform name, the topic idea, the tone, the target audience and the keywords within seconds, and in real time the content idea will be generated using Google Gemini. And as you can see, the idea is generated and added right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation we're going to create in today's video. So if you also want to create this automation, watch this video till the end. So to do this, you have to open the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. And if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser, and it is going to open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder just like me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets. So let's search for Google Sheets and we have to select Google Sheets right over here. For the event, we have to select new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL, so copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets. Now what you have to do is, so let's say I want to connect this Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to go towards this extensions, then add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now we have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is Pabbly Connect webhooks. So go on this search app and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and as you can see that this is the extension which you have to install. You're going to get the option of install right over here. Once you install this extension, refresh your spreadsheet. It is really important to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to get the option of extensions and then Pabbly Connect webhooks right over here. Once you get this Pabbly Connect webhooks option, what you have to do is go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then initial setup. After we come on this initial setup, it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So to get this webhook URL, you have to copy the URL from your workflow and then paste it right over here. Now for the trigger column, you have to enter the trigger column which will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, the trigger column is E, but for you it can be anything else too, because I want to send till 5 details towards my workflow till E. So that's why my trigger column is E. If you wish, you can definitely keep it as B, C, D according to your own choice and spreadsheet. After entering this webhook URL and selecting the trigger column, click on this submit. Once we click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. So this means that we have successfully created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So let's open our workflow, but now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So we have to capture this webhook response. For that, go back to your Google Sheets, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure that you switch on this button which is sent on event. So it is really important that you have this tick mark or this button right over here, because now whenever a new event is going to occur in your spreadsheet, automatically the details will be sent towards your webhook URL. Now let's do the test submission. So let's enter the platform, topic or idea, tone, target audience, and then the keywords. Now these details have been sent towards my webhook URL. So let's open my workflow, and as you can see, the Pabbly has captured the response for the same. You're going to see all the details are exactly the same. Not only this, but you can also see that over here we have received the trigger column and the row index too. Now let's close this, and we're going to use Gemini in order to generate this content. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Gemini. So you have to search for Gemini, and this Google AI Studio in brackets Gemini will open. And now for the event, you have to select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking me for this API key. So to get this API key, you have to open your Google AI Studio. After you open this Google AI Studio, first of all, you have to go from the left hand of the side towards this get API key. Once you come on this, you have to click on this create new API key button. You have to enter the key name. Now you have to select the project. So if you haven't created a project, first of all, create a project like this. Click on this create project button, enter your project name and create your project. Then what you have to do is you have to select the project and enter the key name right over here and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so you have to wait for a few seconds till the key is getting created. So as you can see, the key has been created. So let's copy this key and we need to paste it right over here. After pasting this key, click on this save and your Google Gemini account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to enter the prompt right over here. So let's enter this prompt. Now you can see I've successfully entered this prompt, and now in this prompt one by one I'm going to enter the details which we received from our Google Sheets. But we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So first of all, I'm going to map this platform, then topic idea, then I'm going to map this tone. And it is really important that you map the details right over here, because otherwise this workflow is not going to run in real time. So as you can see, I've successfully entered all of these details right over here. Now for the model, I'm going to select the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash, and then for the method, I'm going to select it as generate content. Now let's click on the save and send test request, and once I'm going to click on the save and send test request, Google Gemini is going to generate me the content idea. So as you can see that it has successfully generated me this content idea, which is Facebook Reel/Story series, and over here is the content idea. So let's add this back again into our Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as update cell value. So I'm just going to look for the same, select it and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. Now Pabbly is asking me for some permissions, so click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Now we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet using which we want to add the content. Like in the spreadsheet we want to enter the content, so we have selected the same. Now for the range, you have to enter the range which will be the column name plus the row index. So as you can see that this is the column which is F in which I want to add this, and the row index is 4. So I'm just going to enter F4, but now it is F4, but with every new response it is going to change. It will be F5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. But you can notice that this F is constant, only the row is changing, right? So I'm going to enter the column name as static, but we're going to map this row index because the row is changing. So yes, now let's map it. Now for the value, we're going to map the text which AI agent generated, which is Gemini. Now let's click on this save and send test request, and you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have added this in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you can see it has been added right over here. Now whenever I'm going to add all of these 5 details right over here in my Google Sheets, within seconds and in real time, the content idea will be generated and added right over here like I showed you in the starting of this video. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, I'm going to attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my prompt and use this for your own business too. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.